Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide who you follow on X or Twitter platform. So make sure you log in your account on Twitter or X. As you can see, I have opened the app and I have logged in my account. And once you do it, simply click on this profile section, scroll down and you will see this option, settings and support. Open it and click on settings and privacy. Once you reach here, simply scroll down and find this option, privacy and safety. As you can see, this option below the premium option, simply click on this privacy and safety. And from here, you will be able to see these sections. Simply click on the first one, audience and tagging. Once I open this, make sure you have turned on these two, protect your posts and protect your videos. So basically, when you turn on these two, protect your posts, only show your post to people who follow you. If you selected, you will need to approve each new follower. So it means that your account will be private and those people who do not follow you may not be able to see any of your posts, any of your following lists or followers list, nothing about your account. So that is how you can hide who you follow or on Twitter or X platform.